Direct replacement. This engine oil filter cap is designed to match the fit and function of the original cap on specified vehicles. Restores functionality. Reliable replacement for an original part that is missing or cracked due to heat and fatigue. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This engine oil filter cap is designed to match the fit and function of the original cap on specified vehicles, and is engineered for durability and reliable performance. Top reviews from the United States. Unbelievable but in a great way. So my oil cap for my truck had fallen off. I don't know how. But when I opened my hood I noticed it wasn't there, so I went to AutoZone and bought one. It didn't fit, went back, exchanged it, and the other one didn't fit. They only had 2 different oil caps. Then later that night I went to O'Reilly's and they had the same ones AutoZone had. So I came on here to good old Amazon and saw this, and it looked like the original one I had, so I went for it and it came today, and my God, to my surprise it actually fitted. Thank you for having what 2 places that are for automobiles didn't have.